Hello friends, welcome to A to Z Dentistry. This video focuses on important MCQs related to myofunctional appliances. Myofunctional appliances mainly used at deciduous dentition, mixed dentition, permanent dentition, none of the above. Mixed dentition. Term myofunctional therapy proposed by Lister. The best period for myofunctional therapy is late mixed dentition period. Functional appliance that depends on the muscle mass for the action called myodynamic appliance, myotonic appliance, tissue-borne passive appliance, both A and B. Myotonic appliance. Myotonic appliance depend on the muscle mass for their action. Then myodynamic appliances depends on muscle activity for their action. Which of the following is tissue-borne passive appliance? Activator, functional regulator, Herbst appliance, both B and C. Functional regulator. Functional regulator is tissue-borne passive appliance. Which of the following is a tooth-borne passive appliance? Activator, bionator, Herbst appliance, all of the above. All of the above. Tooth-borne passive appliances are activator, bionator, Herbst appliance. Tooth-borne active appliances include modifications of activator and bionator. Vestibular screen introduced by Newell, Anderson, Kingsley, Walters. Newell. Vestibular screen introduced by Newell in 1912. It works on the principle of force application and elimination. Which of the following is indication of vestibular screen? Mouth breathing, perform muscle exercise, correct mild distal occlusions and anterior proclination, all of the above. All of the above. All of these are important indication of vestibular screen. Lip bumper, otherwise known as lip plumber, combined removable fixed appliance, modified vestibular screen, all of the above. All of the above. Lip bumper, otherwise known as lip plumber, combined removable fixed appliance, modified vestibular screen. Lip bumper used for maxillary arches known as Denhorst appliance, functional regulator, reverse bionator, Jasper jumper. Denhorst appliance. Indications of lip bumper include: they used in patient exhibiting hyperactive mentalis and lip sucking, used to augment anchorage, dislocation of first molar and space regaining. Contraindication of activator is class 1 open bite, class 2 division tooth, class 1 crowded tooth, class 3 malocclusion. Class 1 crowded tooth. Indications of activators are class 1 open bite, class 1 deep bite, class 2 division 1 malocclusion, class 2 division 2 malocclusion, class 3 malocclusion, post-treatment retention. Then contraindications are class 1 crowded tooth, children with lower facial height, severely procumbent lower incisors, and non-growing individuals. Which of the following known as Norwegian appliance? Lip bumper, activator, bionator, fin block. Activator. Activator, otherwise known as Norwegian appliance or functional jaw orthopedics. Bionator developed by Walters, Newell, Anderson, Edison. Walters. Bionator developed by Walters in 1950s. Bionator is less bulky and more elastic compared to conventional activator. Reverse bionator used for the treatment of Class 4 malocclusions, Class 2 division, Class 3 malocclusion, open bite. Class 3 malocclusion. Standard bionator used in the treatment of Class 2 Division 1 and Class 1 malocclusions. Reverse bionator used for Class 3 malocclusion and open bite bionator used for open bite cases. It's all about the topic myofunctional appliance. See you with a new video. Thank you.